Hi guys, I want to add a couple new rules. There's really only 3 rules we're adding today. Number 1 is rectangles. Diagonals are congruent. What that means is when we have a diagonal here, AC is 10, then if AC is 10, then BD is 10. 2 more rules I want to add about rhombuses and squares. So diagonals are perpendicular when you have a rhombus, just like here, which helps a lot when you're finding the angles. Diagonals bisect the opposite angles, so that is actually really key too, because it says that this is going to be 75 and 75. So these angles here become congruent. But these angles up here are also congruent. We're going to denote those with double hash marks. A couple things we need to also reiterate as we go forward. Number 1, because of these 3 new rules, these 3 extra rules, squares are always rectangles. Squares are always rhombi, always a rhombus. Rhombus is sometimes a rectangle. And a rectangle, sometimes a square. And a rectangle is sometimes a square. Squares are special. Rhombuses can be dragged into these different shapes and made into a diamond, but this is also a rhombus, but it's a square. Something to be mindful of and know that going forward.